Hello, little explorers. In our last fun video, we went on an amazing adventure with our playful monkey. But get ready, because today we're going to meet the king of the animal kingdom. Welcome to this exciting chat with me, the mighty lion who reigns over the African jungles. I am also known for my powerful roar, which can be heard from several miles away. You may have seen me in books or at the zoo, but I am actually much more impressive in person. As a lion, I am the apex predator in my ecosystem, meaning I sit at the top of the food chain. I am an important part of the environment in which I live, helping to keep the population of other animals in check. Although I may seem fierce, I am also a social animal and live in groups called prides. Within my pride, I have specific roles and responsibilities such as hunting and protecting the group. Despite my tough exterior, I am actually quite affectionate with my family and will even groom and play with my pride mates. It's nice to meet all of you, and I hope you learned something new about me today.